On October 21st, 2016, something unusual happened. The internet slowed down. Then it started to fail. Major websites went offline. Millions of people could not access the services they used every day. At first, no one understood why. It did not look like a normal cyber attack. But the truth was far more disturbing. The attack did not just come from hackers. It came from everyday devices. Security cameras, home routers, even smart appliances. All of them were secretly connected. All of them were controlled. This was not just an attack. This was the rise of the botnet.